I'm Rory. I'm here today to do a large-scale painting for the Science Street Party. The painting subject is based on photographs that people sent in, I think the scientists sent in.
The initial idea was to have a mural that was of pictures submitted by local scientists that could be interpreted by an artist to try and create an image that is representative of Tasmanian science. A big ask, but what we ended up focusing on was Professor Elizabeth Blackburn, because it's 10 years since she won the Nobel Prize for Science.
The primary subject is Elizabeth Blackburn, who's a former Tasmanian, now living in America, Nobel Prize winner for medicine.
I wanted to do this event because National Science Week is a great opportunity to start conversations, share experiences, and just have a bit of fun with science.